Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter from Absolute Wealth, and let's take a look tonight, just kind of looking at a couple of different things here. We've got a daily chart over here, which is what I use for swing trades, and then over here I've got a 39-minute chart, which is what I use for intraday trades, and then these are just price levels, support and resistance levels, and things like that that I like to look at. So on the spiders, the big thing for Friday, of course, is the employment numbers. Now, as I'm doing this video, the employment numbers have not been released yet, so I don't know what the market's going to do. Typically, though, it's not as easy if the news is good or bad. If the news is really bad, then sometimes the markets will rally because they think there's going to be more stimulation. Or if it's modest, it may say, then the employment, the whole recession outlook, may change things. But bigger picture, I mean, you can see the resistance trend line here is at 142.97. on the spiders. So that's really kind of a big level that I'm going to be watching. You can see right there, so right up in there. And we've also got a little bit of an uptrend going right here. And honestly, for Friday, I'm not sure which way the market's going to react. I just know that whatever happens on Friday, I believe will carry into the next several weeks. Meaning if for some reason the markets are up on Friday, I think we could actually continue rallying here to test this trend line over the next week or so. Okay. If the markets are down, then I would look for a retest of that 138.50 level. Okay, so that is the spiders. Taking a look at the diamonds, that's the Dow, that's the same thing. The Qs, because they've had a little bit of activity with Apple, not much different there. We'll take a look at Apple, but I did want to look at TLT, which is the bond market. And you can see here for TLT, what I'm looking at here is they've just been trading sideways. They also will react to the employment numbers, so I want to see if we get a little bit of a pop up or down from here. I'm actually expecting TLT to continue moving higher, and TLT is representative of the bond market. And then the euro, represented by this ETF, the FXE, you can see it came off a little bit today. And if the euro is truly going to roll over and die, that actually could be bad for stocks because they've been correlated that way. So again, a lot of kind of hurry up and wait as we head into tomorrow. Looking at Apple, which has just had this amazing bloodbath move here. So on the daily chart, well, it's more prominent here, but this is the worst move that Apple's had in 4 years. It was down like 6.5%, and then you can see it kind of gapped down and then had a fantastic rally. I actually wouldn't be surprised to see on Friday that it closes close to this level. Okay, that's what I got for tonight. You guys have a great night, and we'll see you at the next update.